Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Jjigae easy. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons oil in a pot, then sauté 1 onion and 3 cloves garlic until soft. Add 2 cups kimchi, 6 ounces pork belly or tofu, and stir for 2 minutes. Pour in 3 cups broth, add 1 tablespoon gochugaru, and simmer for 15 minutes. Finish with sliced scallions and a splash of sesame oil. Use a mix of aged kimchi and fresh kimchi to layer flavors for a deep, complex broth. If using meat, brown pork or beef first to build savory caramelized notes, or use mushrooms for a vegetarian option. Adjust spice by adding more gochugaru or a splash of fish sauce for umami. Serve the hot jjigae with steamed rice and a fried egg, and let each spoonful warm and satisfy you. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup effortless after a spicy kimchi jjigae night. It handles crumbs and spills while you relax. I love the voice control and smart navigation for busy cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Simmering time affects texture and flavor. Cook longer for softer cabbage and richer broth, or shorter for crunchier kimchi and brighter acidity. Cool jjigae quickly to store, then refrigerate within 2 hours in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days. For freezing, portion into meal-sized containers and freeze up to 3 months. Reheat gently on low heat to preserve texture and taste, adding water or broth if it thickens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.